If you like lemons, this blanket is for you. In this tutorial, I will show you how to make a lemon granny square, how to join them together in a blanket, how to add a border, and how to make a cute flowers to add to it. Welcome to Crochet Tanya. Let's make beauty together, one granny square at a time. For this blanket, I used medium weight yarn and a crochet hook 5.5 millimeters, which is recommended. My granny square is 4¼ of an inch, which is 11 centimeters. Make a slip knot. Chain 3, join in a ring with a slip stitch. First row, chain 1, 6 single crochet stitches in the ring. At the end, make a slip stitch to join the beginning and the end. Row 2, chain 1 and make 2 single crochet stitches in each stitch of the previous row. The total number of the stitches will be 12 after completing of this row. Make a slip stitch at the end to join the beginning and the end of the row. Row 3 of the lemon. Chain 1, single crochet in the next stitch, 2 single crochets in the second stitch, and repeat this all around. The total number of stitches will be 18 after finishing this row. Finish with a slip stitch to join the beginning and the end. Now leave all the yellow yarns hanging at the front and work with back loops only. Back loop. Attach white yarn. Chain 1, single crochet, another single crochet, 2 single crochets in the next stitch, all in back loop only. Repeat this 6 times all around. The total number of stitches should be 24. Finish with a slip stitch to join the beginning and the end. Now let's make our circle into a square. Chain 2, half double crochet stitch. Then let's make a corner. 2 half double crochet stitches. Chain 2 and another 2 half double crochet stitches in the same stitch. For the side, make 5 half double crochet stitches. Then make another corner. 2 half double crochet stitches. Chain 2 and another 2 half double crochet stitches. This is the second corner. Continue like this for 4 corners and 4 sides. Last side of granny square is 4 half double crochet stitches because we already made one at the beginning. And a slip stitch at the end to join. Now let's finish the lemon. We will work with front loops of yellow circle. Make slip stitches using the front loops. Slip stitch in the corner. Chain 1, slip stitch in the white corner stitch, another chain 1, and slip stitches in the front loops of the lemon till the opposite corner. Yeah, just like that. Slip stitch, slip stitch, oops, slip stitch, chain 1, slip stitch in the white corner, chain 1, and finish the lemon. Green border, chain 2, half double crochet stitch, for the corner 2 half double crochet stitches, 2 chain stitches, another 2 half double crochet stitches. And for the side 8 half double crochet stitches. This is the corner. Make 4 corners and 4 sides. Finish with a slip stitch. That's it. Lemon granny square is ready. I made 30 of them. Now I will show you how to join them with chain stitches and slip stitches, creating this nice, neat white border. Attach white yarn to the corner of granny square. Chain 1, slip stitch in the other granny square's corner. Chain 1, slip stitch back in the next stitch, chain 1, slip stitch, and do it like this all the way. Stitch into stitch, corner into corner. Join all the granny squares. Now let's create a border. First row, green yarn, chain 2, double crochet stitches till the corner. In the corner, 3 double crochet stitches in one stitch. Continue all around. Finish with a slip stitch. Second row of the fringe, white. Chain 4. Single crochet in the second stitch, skip 1, then chain 3, single crochet in the second stitch, chain 3, single crochet in the second stitch. Repeat it all around the blanket, including corners. Finish with a slip stitch. The blanket is almost ready. Let's cute it up with flowers. I made quite a bit of them. Slip knot, chain 3, join in a ring with a slip stitch, chain 1, 6 single crochet stitches in the ring, finish with a slip stitch. White yarn, chain 1, half double crochet stitch in the same stitch, another half double crochet stitch in the same stitch, chain 1, slip stitch in the next stitch. This is first petal, make 6 of them. Cut off the white yarn, leaving the end approximately 12 inches long to sew the flower on. Do you know how to make a whole blanket with slip stitches and chain stitches? Watch this tutorial.